Are you looking to bring your Kick chat right into your OBS Studio setup? Whether you want to monitor chat in a convenient dock or actually display chat on your stream as an overlay, today's tutorial has you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate Kick chat into OBS Studio, which means more interaction, better stream management, and a more engaging experience for you and your viewers. Let's dive right in and break it down together. First, we're going to get the pop-out chat URL from Kick. Start by opening your Kick channel page in a web browser and log in if you're not already. Make sure you're on the account that you're streaming from, otherwise you won't see your dashboard. Now, look for the Creator Dashboard. Usually, there's a button or link towards the top that says Creator Dashboard. Just give that a click. Within your dashboard, you'll find a chat section. Here's where you'll see your chat in action during a stream. Look for the three-dot menu. Sometimes it's tucked in the corner or near the chat input box, and click on it. You should see an option that says Pop Out Chat. Select this. A new window will appear with just your chat room. Right now, the important thing is the URL in your browser's address bar. Go ahead and copy that entire URL. This is the magic link that lets OBS connect to your chat room. Now, let's bring that Kick chat into OBS Studio as a dock, which is perfect if you want to keep your chat visible in your OBS workspace, but not on stream. In OBS, look at the very top bar for the menu labeled Docs. Click on it and choose Custom Browser Docs from the dropdown. This opens a small configuration window. In the name field, type something practical like Kick chat so you can recognize it later. Now, in the URL field, paste the pop-out chat URL you copied earlier. Double check that it's correct. Sometimes you can accidentally grab a partial link. When you're ready, click Apply, then Close. Instantly, you'll see a new dock pop up within your OBS interface. By default, it might be floating somewhere awkward, but don't worry. You can drag this dock wherever feels most comfortable, like the right side of your OBS window, or even resize it to fit your workflow. Having your chat docked in OBS is a game changer because you don't need another browser window open, and you can keep an eye on viewer interaction without breaking your focus. If you're looking to display Kick chat directly on your stream as an overlay, almost like how you see Twitch or YouTube chats dancing across the video feed, let's walk through that method too. First, repeat the earlier steps to get your pop-out chat URL from Kick. That part doesn't change. Now, switch back to OBS Studio and look down in the sources box for your current scene. Click the little plus button to add a new source, and from the options, choose Browser. Give this source an easy-to-remember name like Kick Chat Overlay, and hit OK. A Properties window will open. This is where you paste your Kick Chat URL into the designated URL field. OBS will load up the chat and display it as a web page. You'll want to adjust the width and height. These settings let you position your chat box neatly on your stream without covering important parts of your content. Play around with the dimensions until it looks right. 400-600 pixels is a common starting point, but it depends on your layout. When you're happy, click OK, and now your Kick chat is live on your stream for everyone to see. Remember, you can always tweak the location and size, or hide the overlay if it feels distracting. And don't worry if you have to try a couple of times to get things looking perfect. Streaming setups are all about personalizing your workflow. That's all it takes to set up Kick chat in OBS Studio, whether for your eyes only in a dock, or live on stream as an overlay. If you found this tutorial helpful, help me out by hitting that like button. If you run into any snags or have questions, just drop a comment below. I always reply. And for more streaming tips, OBS tricks, and platform guides, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next one.